Hey guys, what's up and welcome. So today we're gonna do a little unboxing and taste testing for these ZenB snack bars. They're vegetable bars, so I'm super excited. I've actually never tried vegetables snack bars at all, so I'm super excited to see what you know these taste like. This off of Instagram and I'm like, let me try it. It looks interesting and good, so why not try it? There's different trials boxes where you could choose from. I chose, I believe, the one that has 5, so you choose what veggie you want or what flavor you want, and you just pay shipping, and that's it. So, and if you like it, you continue to buy it. If you don't, then you don't. So let's go ahead and, so when you open it, it looks like this. So it's more of a healthy snack. So you got, if you're on the run or want something healthy, why not try this? So it says thank you for your purchase, use code, it gives you a code for 20% off. Oh, this is so cool, no wonder. Alright guys, look, these little black dots are seeds, and it says there are seeds in this paper, so plant me. Flip over for instructions. This is so cool. I'm definitely gonna plant this. What? This is so cool. And this is, yeah, 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, I got the 5 little bars, the trial of 5 bars, and you just pay shipping, guys. I believe I paid $4 for shipping, so that's pretty good for a trial offer, trial box. It's pretty good. So I'm gonna go over them and then we'll start the testing. So this is
the corn stick of corn. This is pumpkin stick. This is carrot. This is the beet. So this is more healthy, like I said, healthy, full of fiber and all that healthy stuff, and it's plant-based, so that's pretty good. So you vegans out there, this is good. So this is the red bell pepper. I'm not sure if I said this. And yeah, that's it. So
we'll start with the red pepper stick. So here we go. One serving is 130 calories, so it's not that bad. Smells like red pepper, red bell pepper. Look at this, guys. You guys can appreciate. It smells really good. It smells exactly like how a red pepper should. So let's try. All right, so the red pepper, the red bell pepper stick, it's actually good. I like it. It's like sweet. Not what you would expect, but it's good. I give that a 8.5 out of 10. So right, let's go with beet. With the beet. And it doesn't have like a strong flavor, like a strong overpowering flavor where you're like, ugh. Well, this one I'm a little scared of, the beet, because the beet is strong. All right, let's dig in. I'm not a big fan of beets for the same fact that it's strong. It is strong. The taste of the beet. Oh. I mean, for those that like beets, it's good. At first, it's like, hey, not so bad. You don't get the kick of it. And then all of a sudden, bam, it kicks you. The only way I would eat beets is in a smoothie, juice. That's it. That's how I intake beets. I'll give it a 3.5. because I'm not a fan of beets. Next, the carrot. So hopefully this ain't, I mean, carrots aren't that bad, so let's see. I don't know why I always have like the habit of smelling things in public. No, because I know it's like rude, but when I'm in my house, or you know, they give me something out of, you know, the look, I'll be like, this is how it looks. I know it ain't look that appealing, but alright. The carrot is alright. I mean, I don't know what I was expecting of the flavored carrot. It's good. The carrot is alright. I'll give it a 5 out of 10. A 5. A 5. It's good. It's not as overpowering, but it's good. It's good. So now the pumpkin stick. Pumpkin. Let's see. The pumpkin. Oh, this one looks more like smush. It doesn't look like, it's smoother. The other ones are like bumpy, but this one looks smoother. The smell. Oh, you know what it smells like? You know those little cubes that you used for soups, chicken soup, or the broth? There you go, the broth cubes. This is what it smells like. It's not so bad. Now that I'm thinking of it, I've never tried this kind of pumpkin. I think these are the pumpkin that you use to carve for Halloween. I'm thinking about pumpkin, the word pumpkin in Spanish, calabaza, which they're like different kind of calabaza, so I'm thinking squash, but no, this is pumpkin of the Halloween. It's enjoyable. I'm not a big fan though. Top has to be the red pepper. But I'm gonna give that one a 7.5. A 7.5. Corn. We'll see how this one goes. This one is a bit smooth. Let's taste it. No, it tastes good. It tastes like how corn should. It's good. I like it. I like it. It's pretty good. I give this a rating of 8.5 also. Yeah, 8.5. 8.5. But to say the least, this one has to be my favorite. This one. This one has to be my favorite. Red pepper on the top of the list. Least beets. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little short video. Make sure to check out ZenB. I'll leave the link below or in bio for you guys to check it out. And yeah, ciao.